All right, time to celebrate some Thursday birthdays, and we begin in Humboldt, Kansas, with Rhett Evenson turning 7 years old today. Happy birthday to you, Rhett.
All right, and Kane Bowers celebrating birthday number 15 this year in Fairland, Oklahoma, with birthday love coming from Mom, Dad, and Caden.
And in Pittsburgh, we've got Emily Mirando celebrating birthday number 25. Emily, happy birthday to you.
And it's a golden anniversary for the Carlingers. Jimmy and Vicky celebrating 50 years together. Congratulations to them with love from family and friends.
And we've got Charles and Brenda Parsons, but not in Parsons, Kansas. They are in McCune, Kansas, celebrating their 60th wedding anniversary. Charles and Brenda Parsons, a very happy 60th anniversary to the two of you.
And our birthday list goes on. We've got Sherry Saya celebrating another year wiser in Girard. Jody Zwallen turning the big 4-0 this year in Oswego, and Anna Groner is 62 this year. Anna is at Bone Creek.
And we've got Shelby Norman turning 24 in Pittsburgh. She's a senior graphic arts student at Pitt State, and this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa. And a couple of more anniversaries. Steve and Sonia Dooley celebrating their 38th in Columbus, and Lloyd and Vera Helwig celebrating their 61st in Columbus. Now look at this list. There's something wrong here. Do you see how many names are up there and there's no photos? Tanya's going to tell you what you can do to make sure you have your photo on here, because we should have more pictures.
But first I have to say it. Last two birthdays were in Columbus. What does that mean?
Party in the bus!
Anniversaries, yeah. Party in the bus, yeah. Well, you can easily submit a birthday picture or an anniversary picture. Send them both to birthdays at an S at the end of it, birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And of course, while you're at our website, you should take some time to get over there and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Yeah, that's right. When you're there, you can sign up for it. You get great deals from local businesses, and all you have to do is sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club. We're going to have